In this demonstration, we will configure the monitoring setup wizard. Access the monitoring setup wizard from the SO level. The account user must have administrator permissions. In the left menu, open the Configuration submenu, then Monitoring and select Monitoring Setup Wizard. A brief introduction appears first. Click Next Step to continue. On the Discovery Options tab, under Network Address Type, select if workstations and laptops and other device classes should use an IP address or fully qualified domain name. IP addresses are best used when network addresses are static and will not change. Fully qualified domain names are best used when monitoring devices on networks using Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP. Selecting the Propagate box in any section will automatically apply the setting to future devices. Available services are listed on the left. Select Services for automatic assignment to imported devices. Services are device class specific. If a discovered device's class is not compatible with one of the auto-assigned services, the service association is ignored. Scroll down and select device classes to be automatically imported at discovery. If Windows workstations or Windows servers are selected, an Install Agent selection box becomes available. Select Install Agent to have the Windows Probe install agents on devices of the selected classes. If there are certain devices the discovery probe should ignore, enter in the MAC address for each to exclude them from the list of discovered devices. Selected devices should be allocated a professional or essential license, and if known devices should be tagged for monitoring if they move to a different site. Click Next Step to continue. Check the boxes to select which service templates to apply to discovered devices. Click Next Step to continue. Use the checkbox to select Dashboards to appear on the Dashboard submenu. Click Next Step to go to Notifications. Select the notification profiles to be associated with discovered devices, then click Next Step. Check the boxes to select rules to apply multiple settings for groups of devices. Clicking Finish starts the processes configured in Discovery Options, Service Templates, Dashboards, Notifications, and Rules.